Hey, rocking. Sorry for the slow start today, folks. Originally, I was going to go on a trip, but things went a little sideways, so that didn't happen. Uh, that's them's the breaks, as we say. As we say. So today, what are we going to work on? We are going to work on. I wrote it like 30 seconds ago. Damn it. I know what I'm. Anyway, whatever. Today, we are going to work on fudge. Trying to swear less. Making a Spark SQL extension to plug in an optimizer into Spark. And this has got like kind of a few purposes. One is like I think it's maybe it could be a good example for the book. There's also other cases where like I'd love to show people like, hey, here's a quick way to make an optimizer rule to solve your problem. Sort of like power users who I sometimes work with. You know, there's that. There might be a good example out there. I haven't seen it. And so, you know, if you know of one, you know, feel free to point it out to me. But regardless, either way, for the book, it's just a lot easier to just make all the examples myself because licensing for everything is complicated. Speaking of licensing, we are going to be listening to TechnoAxe's royalty-free music, and we have to attribution required, so we'll give a shout out to TechnoAxe for making some choice royalty-free beats, and that is going to be kind of our plan. So then let's go get the YouTube video up here. There we go. Got that going. Join me for a super mini getting started making a Spark SQL extension to plug in custom optimizers. And so it's super mini because it's 7:44 on a Wednesday night. And I like writing code. I like doing these streams, but I also want to go watch some like trash television with my wife, Carolyn, in a little bit. So I'm only going to do so much of this, and then I'll go do go do other things afterwards. Post it on the LinkedIn because that is a popular place to do the business numbers, as we say. And this is certainly business numbers. Business numbers. In fact, I believe is the official business numbers. Yeah, okay, this has got the auto-tune stuff that we were working on the other day. And I believe the other day may have been yesterday. May have also not. I don't know. I think I streamed yesterday. My memory. So. Like I love the computer stuff, and for whatever reason, like this stuff, good with the memory. The other stuff, less so. Okay. Let's go ahead and what branch are we on? Okay. Oh, did I push this? Okay, cool. Rebase head %2 minus I. Ooh, no. Okay, yeah. I'm going to edit this, and then get minus amend. When new Spark releases come out, our old versions may go away, and we should fall back to the archive. Okay, so cool. Commit get rebase continue. Cool. Okay, speaking, and so then I guess let's go merge that PR quickly first. PR. Fall back to archive DLs. Okay. Probably take a hot minute. But let's go. Get remote, get full upstream name. Any changes? No. What are we doing here? We are doing SQL Extension plugin optimizer. Okay. It's sort of data frame, sort of could be perf. What's in perf? No, it's simple perf test. We're gonna put it here. Yeah, we're gonna put it here inside of data frame. SQL extension dot Scala. Okay. And we're gonna no. Okay. Huh. That's weird. Not used to Emacs using 98% of a core. Wonder what that was all about. It's gonna go back to using 90% of a core. Ooh. Okay, metals is like chugging along because it's presumably compiling a bunch of stuff, import changes. Okay. extension. Extension dot slash SQL star src. Spark session extension. Okay. Spark session extension dot scala. Extensions dot scala. Okay. Package com. I don't actually know what the package that we're using otherwise is. Okay. Extension for the Spark session to allow us to plug in a custom optimizer. Spark session extensions. Okay. Class SQL extension extends Spark session extensions. Okay. Optimizer rule. I'm going to override that. Okay. Inject runtime optimizer rule. Is this stage pep? What are my rules? Query post planner strategy builder. Query strategy rule. Check rule builder. So rule of logical plan. Okay, let's go take a look. Optimizer dot scala. Extended operator optimization rules. Okay. Extended operator. Extend. Operator. Fudge. Let's go back to yeah, okay. So we could either do your extensions extends Spark session extension provider. Spark session extension provider.scala. Hmm. Okay, so we don't actually extend that. We extend the provider. Because why do things the easy way? Gotcha. Override def apply. Extensions. Spark session extensions. And then we go ahead and we say extensions dot okay. Inject inject. It's not a columnar rule. Query stage. I don't want. I can override the query stage. To do it only for AQE though. I want to do it in resolution phase. After resolution. God damn it. Alexa, turn on monitors. I've got a timer that turns the monitors off in case I like happen to accidentally forget that I'm working. That happens, and that's a way of getting my attention. Okay. We want to inject a there we go. Inject optimizer rule. Okay. Inject. Here we're focused on things go fast. So for example, optimizer rule. Okay. EQE rules. And then so we're going to make a rule builder. And so our rule builder is going to be nullability filter builder. Nullability filter optimizer Scala filter builder. Okay. Nullability filter optimizer extends. Optimizer.scala. The one that I've been thinking about most lately has been the filter pushdown. Filter push down predicates. Rule of type logical plan. Oh. So since query plan dot scala form. Okay. Okay. So it means pattern locally locally partial function logical plan. I don't want to. So what I want to look for is null intolerant. So we're going to go back to expression Scala null intolerant. So can we do this? Null intolerant. Or let's start with unary expression. Unary expression. We gotta find a null intolerant. Let's go find someone that mixes this in. Basic null. What would be a basic logical operator that we could work on? I guess this would be project, yeah. Right? Yeah. Project. So project list dot, those are going to be of type named expression, right? pretty sure. No tolerance. Hmm. Okay, vector char class null until receive name null. Huh. No. I guess this would be a trait. Maybe rather than a class. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Great. Okay. Val tolerant. Is instance of null intolerance. Is that going to be? Now these are going to be named expressions, aren't they? Yeah, okay. Children. Val null intolerant projections, null intolerant children is equal to project list, null intolerant projections dot flat map underscore dot children project list filter null intolerant children dot okay, filter cons is going to be, we're going to make the filter condition out of the null intolerant children. Yeah. Is not null. Dot full left and tolerant children.len. Okay, let's go. Is empty. We return the projection. There are no null intolerant children. Don't worry about it. Else, if there are, we're going to make a projection. Filter cons. Proj. Yeah, this probably isn't going to compile, but it's a start. Oof. Cool. Oh shit, don't need clean. Will that Scala? I don't know. Oh, all right. Tree patterns. Tree patterns. Dot Scala. Okay. Right, I'm going to go back here to our section extensions. Expression.scala. Port. Null intolerance. Okay. Now where does is not all come from? Filters on Scala. What? The filter that I want? Or is it predicates? I think it's might be null expressions. No. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Sometimes I want to just like look at the code that I was writing, and then I remember I can just do that. We should come back and fix this. Maybe later. Fold. Wait, you're saying there's no instances of fold anymore? Baby? Huh. Am I just like hallucinating that I used fold left? Predicate. There's something about combining predicates, I feel like. Pull up. Right. Maybe I'm wrong. Predicate help. Predicate helper. Where is it? Oh, like. Oh, it's inside of predicates.scala. Okay. Predicates.scala. Predicate helper. Yeah, there we go. So that's how we split it. Is there anything? Okay, maybe I'm just misremembering this. Wait. Eh. Yeah, okay. I think I'm just misremembering something. Which happens. Yep. We're looking for uh we're gonna let's find and filters.scala. No, it's not going to be filters.scala. Expressions filter. What? No. Predicate. Okay, predicates. This is probably the one that I want. Expressions. Predicates. SQL catalyst expressions predicates. Predicates.scala. Oh, and yeah, no, okay, it's just here. Probably then. I guess technically could do this as a tree operation. More type sequence of expression, right? Do I remember using that? I feel like I did. Okay. Git log minus p. We're just gonna feel like there's code that I wrote that does the thing that I want to do, but I don't. So it didn't show up in the PR when I went to look at it. So I'm gonna go look in the git log and see if I had it, and then I got rid of it, and I just pulled. Okay. Everything is written by AI nowadays. Don't love that. Oh, is that because what I'm looking for is uh yeah. Okay. Dot reduce left and there we go. Ooh, it's 8:30. Okay. Fantastic. Uh uh sends session extensions. Sends yeah, rule builder. Okay. Okay, cool. We got it to compile. It's a work in progress because it probably doesn't work and we have no tests, but that's okay. That's okay. We'll add some tests, and that'll be a great project for the future. Dude, start adding a sample rule to introduce all filters for non-real magic. Note we have no tests, but it compiles. Okay. Progress. Cool. Fantastic. So there we go. Now we do a git push, and that is great. And now, if anyone is like in the mood, we're gonna go and raid the booty channel. Because booty is fantastic and I love their mashups. And yeah, so we're gonna raid the booty channel, hang out in the booty channel for a bit, and then I'll go watch some trash television because that's who I am. And it is a Wednesday night. I think it's a Wednesday night. Yeah, it is. It is. Let's go, and I go press one of these fucking buttons. Raid booty. Start raid. Raid booty. Start raid. Okay. Why is it not showing me? There we go. Thanks, y'all. Bye.